gratuitous, advertising. Come on, subscribe. Cha. Rear. Looks like the rear are on. The rear are on. The rear and the rear. Yes, the rear. The rear. We don't have backup lights yet because I haven't hooked it up. Holy moly, we got some dash lights. Not many. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, so headlights. High beam, low beam. Low beam. High beam, sorry, low beam. High beam, low beam. God, them are nice and bright. Four ways. Sweet. Looks good. Sweet. Looks good. Look at that. All the lights are back working. Put in the dash. I gotta move a few things. A computer being one of them. Empty cup of coffee. We got scissors. We got a mini tripod. Disconnect the rear. There we go. One's for the rear. Have this angry little metal clip right here. I was just thinking I could hook up a spare light up on the dash here so when I hit the brake light, I can see if they're working. So you guys, my other red-headed stepchild out there? Yeah, it's been blowing brake fuses. No idea why. Then occasionally the signal lights stop flashing. It's got a gremlin, an angry gremlin. We can hook up everything else now, I think. Not very often, but I try. I get nosebleeds if I think too much. Okay. Okay, so let's just grab this bad boy. Flip. And flip. Uh-oh, what? Oh, all right, no problem. I'll deal with it. I'm hoping that this, once we... It's got a threaded hole right there, but I can't flip it up yet anyway. Let's put the steering column in. Gratuitous, advertising. Come on, subscribe. You don't have to. It's not like you're going to go off-roading with me. But you could. An all-inclusive whirlwind trip that you pay for. Yes, you too can go off-roading. As long as you pay for it. Yeah, I know that's okay. Hopefully, I didn't hook this up. These are all hooked up. Hey, we still got lights. Look at that stuff. Awesome. Lights at the back. Lights at the back. Sweet. Jesus, that's nice. Okay, so we do have this right here. I'm gonna have to unplug the light and shorten it. Did that grab you? I grabbed you. All right. So, still have whack of wires in here. That's okay. We're gonna hang them all out of the way. Hopefully they don't become claustrophobic and frig me up. I'm gonna zip tie some of them ones up and out of the road. Take as a wheel of steering and stuff it right in the cock stuffer. Alright, let's stuff this son of a goat sucker in here. Let's lock the steering wheel because it's just not advantageous as it's turning on me. The Jeep is upside down, of course, so let's turn that back over. Turn that level. There we go. Steering wheel is looped. Who you go? Taking you home. Come on now. Put that in there to test fit it. You didn't take it out. But brilliance on a half-cracked scale. You know, one camera's getting a great view of my backside. Bunch of wiggle. Can you wiggle it? Wiggle it. Home. Probably doing this wrong, but you know, if I did it right, then what would you learn? Get your head into your head. Yeah, they go together nice. Gotta tell you. Yeah. Just like they were meant to. No. Unlike. But I got it. I think I need a Sharps 960. By Jesus. We got it in there. I don't know where the fuck the bolt went. That's awesome. Wow. That is always such a pain in the ass. It just chips the snot out of the paint, but I have a chrome ring that goes around that. I'm gonna have to find some screws, but I mean, a little bit of polishing with the white crane polish and that'll come up good as new. One around the base and one around the top. It's not pretty, but it's prettier. You know, steering wheel is pushed in as far as it can go. It's not the steering wheel that goes with the Jeep either. So still doesn't look too bad. I think I've got some stainless steel screws I can use. I may have to cut them down to make them work, but I think they'll do the job. So let's sign off for the night here. Gratuitous, you know, advertising. Come on, subscribe. You don't have to. It's not like you're going to go off-roading with me, but you could. An all-inclusive whirlwind trip that you pay for. Yes, you too can go off-roading.